my team. Herr Saim is going to make the fish for me, right? So I need a translator because I don't speak Mexican. He can. Emilio, right. So Emilio, tell me, run me through what he's going to do with this fish.
Okay. Hersain prepared like a Yuzu Kosho with fermented napa. He make all the fermentation and everything. He will cover all the fish with this preparation, and we will bake in the wooden oven.
Okay, so this is, where's the jar you just had? Yeah, the fermented. This is fermented Japanese chili. So I'm going to be brave and have a taste. Rather spicy, that is. Woo. All right, show me what you're doing. Let's go. So this is mixed with fermented chili bean and lemon, and I guess we're going to pop this in the wood-fired oven. Let's go. So while the fish is cooking, we're going to make the sauté spinach, starting with the oil. Shallots, spinach, salt and pepper, lemon juice.
Fantastic.
Wow! That, my friends, smells incredible. Finally, my chefs are now coming up with their own little beautiful delights. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? Right, you going to finish this dish? Let's go.
Ensalada.
With microgreens, onions, lettuce, dressing, a little bit of lemon, salt and pepper, and some watercress. Right. My favorite part, the tasting. Right. Folks. Wow. Fantastico.
Fantastico.
Oh, is that Mexican handshake? Nah. Chefs do it in the kitchen. This is a tasting for to give the guys motivation, ideas. So this is the way we come up with new ideas. All of us. Team effort. This is wonderful, zesty, a little bit spicy. Fantastic. And for me as a chef, I want my team to come up with great creations like this. This is a fantastic spectacular dish. Spectacular dish. Chefs do it in the kitchen. Yeah. Good?
Really?
Yeah, good? Fantastic. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel, subscribe, check us out every week.